on the land. I've got your hand, and now we're way down, fade out low. Was it your plan? Can't understand. I love the air you bring, everything. Under the sun, our fire is burning. You tell me to hold on tight. I wish that we could stay here forever. I wanna remember. Oh, the sight of you brings the fight in me, makes me wanna move. Fingers down your spine, looking in my eyes, feel your hands on mine. Tonight we're free, we're freer than ever. I wanna remember. Oh, we run every endeavor. I wanna remember.
Coming to the sound quality test, friends, let's check out the ringtone. Then coming to the 216. Compared to this both of these phones, the Nokia 230 is bit better than 216 model.
Service. To select language, press 1. To know the barrel, for English, press 1. For Hindi, press 2. For Telugu, press 3.
Overall, the call quality is very good. We doesn't need to worry about it. If you ask me which one is good mobile out of both of this model, I probably say both are good models. But if you particularly ask me, the Nokia 230 is bit better than this 216 model. But if the price matters, the 216 model is a definitely best choice. Hope this video will help you to some extent, friends. If you want to buy this product, the links are available in the description itself. If you have any doubts regarding to this phone, please comment in the comment section. I will surely give the reply to you. And before summing up my review, thank you so much for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye.